Hello everybody, it's Fotini. Spring has finally sprung and I recorded another video with all my flowers from my garden. I love planting flowers. I think it's such a therapeutic activity. Just planting them and seeing them harvest and picking them and putting some in a vase inside the house, or even driving by your house and just, staring at them and marveling at God's creation. So it is the middle of spring, and these are my tulips and daffodils and hyacinths. They're all bulbs, so you just plant them and they come up like every year, every like springtime, like March and April. We had a very rainy spring this year, so we had a pretty good harvest, I suppose. My house has a lot of deer and they just love eating my tulips, and I don't know what happened this year and they kind of skipped my house, so I've had a lot of tulips come up this year. I have red ones and pink ones, and for hyacinths I have like pink and purple, and of course daffodils are always yellow. So I love the combination of these three. The tulips and the daffodils are odorless. They don't necessarily have a scent, not in my opinion. But the hyacinths, oh my goodness, they have this like floral, sort of musky scent. Like a little goes a long way. I feel like just by adding two stems in a vase, your entire house, like the entire sort of like kitchen and living room, is overwhelmed with their scent. I absolutely love these flowers. They're my favorite, especially the season that they come in. They come in the springtime, and just seeing the land so barren and kind of like dry and brown, to see pops of colors come through. I love daffodils. I feel like they're a very easy flower. They're really low maintenance. They kind of remind me of the sun. I love yellow. It's so cheery. So it reminds me of the sun, and they can withstand big like temperature fluctuations, which I appreciate. Tulips are a bit more sensitive in my opinion. Again, the deer love to pick at them. And the hyacinths, I feel like the hyacinths are also pretty, they're not as fragile as the tulips. With the hyacinths, I guess a lot of heavy rain can kind of like damage them and kind of like break their stem. So I decided to just pick some and bring them in the house. And also I just ventured into a new business. I opened my own online boutique with jewelry, so I decided to kind of do some product photography. So here you're seeing me kind of try on my jewelry and use the flowers as my background. I'm so proud of these flowers. There's just such a sense of accomplishment when you plant something and then you kind of see it come into fruition, or you see the product of your efforts. And I would strongly recommend you guys to start planting, start getting accustomed to it. You look at the blooms and you have this sense of calmness kind of take over your body and your mind. By spending time outdoors, you're just like, your mood improves, and you have more energy. Especially spring is such a refreshing time after a long winter season with just darkness and dryness surrounding the land, to kind of see pops of color and more sunlight and a cool breeze. So every season has its magic moments, and for spring I think flowers and plants are definitely one of the benefits. So definitely get out there, start planting, watch your, garden bloom and enjoy, just enjoy. Here I am trying my bracelets and rings and bangles and chains, and yeah, it's just such a new adventure for me, learning about product photography and marketing and everything. So it's quite an experience. I enjoy it. It's a great hobby. You can find my jewelry pieces at shopfotini.com, or you can message me on Instagram, TikTok, and if you need more details or information. So that's all. I decided to record a video to share it with everyone. So I hope everyone is doing well, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.